Okay, a favorite we've had around here is called The Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. We've been reading this every night and throughout the day, so I'm going to reenact it as Kelly, my wife, and going mom, as she is known sometimes, reads it to Avery. So, pardon my idiotic moves, but it makes her laugh sometimes.
All right, ready? Look at Daddy, too. In a cave in the woods in its deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. And itty bitty mouse, bitter bat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with the chew-chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps with a party in its very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flash makes the bear Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. For me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea."
Yay!
Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, and he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. There's the hare. Yeah. All done.
All done.
All done.
You give mommy a kiss?
Mommy's right here. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I have a kiss too? Mwah.
Aw,
Thank you.
Mwah.